I'm yet to meet anybody in my, I'll use the word travels because that's in one of the books I've written. I'm yet to meet anybody who can even probably even know who Mao was when he died, whether they know that he's in Tiananmen Square wearing a very ugly brown suit, so on and so forth. They don't really care. What they do care is, more than anything else, is I think lack of dignity, and I don't mean to use it as a cliche. It means a continual domination or sort of from people who are supposed to govern them or who they are told are to govern them, people they see, bureaucrats, police officials, whether they're inspectors or the daroga as we call them, or the thanedar or the constable, really. These are the people they face, and they're really looking for delivery of the criminal justice system. They're looking for very, very basic things enshrined in our Constitution, and they believe in it. For them, these are not cliches, something that we in the cities take for granted. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression, dignity to the self, a reasonable hope that if something happens to us which is outside the scope of law or constitution or what we have come to understand as our rights is trampled upon, there'll be people who'll stand up for us. As Himanshu mentioned very, very eloquently, often that does not happen. So again and again, it becomes an issue of somebody who's at the end of their tether, comes to the end of their tether for various reasons.